I want to show you an example model that I built with MoPiX. So if I go here and I say import, and it's called the average of two balls, and I'll explain it as it goes. But you can see these two balls, the red one and the blue one, are bouncing, but the star is always at the midpoint between those two balls. And that's the basic program. And then the star also has some equations that make it change color like this. So if we pause it, we could see how it works. So if we just look at one of the balls, we could see that its x position every time is just the previous one plus its velocity, and same thing, the y. And we could see that the velocity starts off at 3, but it's it gets more complicated because it's trying to deal with bouncing. Same thing with the y. And then the acceleration is set to real gravities, proportional to real gravity. And, we could go back in time. If we want to look at the star, we could see that its x position is just the sum of the x positions of the two balls. Same thing with y. And then it's a little bit more complicated how it's changing color. So it's the previous amount of red, and then it's modulo 94, the time. So half of that 94, it'll be decreasing, and half the time it'll be increasing. So it'll increase for 47 steps and then decrease for 47 steps. And the others have just different prime numbers so that the pattern never repeats.